Hello and welcome to my little find. So this website is the Biology Corner. Not the middle, not the edge, but the corner. So it's a great resource for teachers who are looking for lesson plans, ideas, something to do with the class if you're running dry on ideas. So we have the topics here: anatomy, cell biology, evolution, genetics, ecology, science methods. They're all pretty much the same once you click on them. So I'm going to start with anatomy. And so once we click anatomy, it doesn't look like anything happened, but then we scroll down here and we have all these different anatomy lesson plans. So we're going to go to student designed case studies for anatomy. All right, come on down, we're the next contestant. So, student design case studies for anatomy. There's a brief synopsis here, like students in anatomy class complete many case studies throughout the year and focused on body systems, blah, 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 blah. Then they go into all this stuff. But you get a whole kind of depiction of what it is before you click on it. If you think that's something you want to do, down here on Google Docs, you just click Google Docs and bang, there it is. Design a case study for anatomy, terminology, how to write the case. They're doing celiac, okay, diagnosis, physiology, treatment. So it's got a whole bunch of stuff here if you're looking for ideas. And it even comes with a rubric right here. So there we go. Introductions, diagnosis, all these different things. So it's a nice little site. Let me go back to it. So if we come up top here, if we just go right back to the Biology Corner, what you'll find is each one has all these different things, like cell biology, anatomy, and all that. But what's new is already on the board when you go to it. So if you're looking for something new and you've already been here, if it's not here, you've already seen it. So this is very interesting. Also, they have lessons up here. I guess this is for the more uninitiated. So you can have like AP Biology, and here is an AP Biology course. All these links and all these units designed for AP Biology. And it goes all the way down to remedial biology. I go back. So with classes, Intro to Bio. And there it is. Unit 1, Nature of Science, Intro to Biology, and then all these links for all these different things you can do. So, yeah, I really like this website. I had fun tooling around on it, and it's not very deep. I mean, what you see is what you get right here. There's no hidden anything, and it's free, which we all love free. All right, so thank you for watching my video.